off.
Yeah, bro.
Scoreline, no. No true reflection of the game.
Of course, no true reflection of the game.
Okay.
Virtually start our game, which means say.
I'm going to so.
We have start now clearly.
Go move France for.
Honestly, we're even fortunate. So I mean, supported France since 1998. Yeah, so be on me behind him say. Entina me team Arsenal, not Real Madrid, and so about titane dey Real Madrid. But time now France the World Cup now French players started say Arsenal. Now Arsene Wenger so echo hono. And I'm starting say me support Arsenal. Yeah, but I'm me team now.
And then no when you brew.
Oh, and I'm you brew me. But
for no boy yadodo.
Bro, and no me appreciate reality.
Okay.
Nah, indeed, Yanka say the Spaniards, congrats to them. And almost actually the reason in here, almost deserve say almost become the World Cup finals. Bro, yesterday game national. Me share two teams in the line up by and I'm saying and I assemble to you. Odim say offer Spaniards now the 4-1-2-3 formation. And I could de la Fuente started with. At the left side of their defense, Marco Crella, which I brand here on Munia, or say I appreciate this Brantini because he did a fantastic job. Now about Pedro Porro, and also about the right side of their defense. The center of defense, no, Merrick Laporte and Paul Kubasi. That boy, rich. Now Waba Beka, the goalkeeper, Unai Simon, and also Emani, the goal post for them. Now Rachel back midfield on the midfielder, combination of Rodri, Fabian Ruiz. Minia, me who midfield no rich.
What did you know too much?
Just I can't ball in the rich. I know I see. Now, what about the flanks on him? Laminia ma Alex Bina. And so airborne flanks. So say Alex Bina no. Or no na instead of Nico Williams no. Or no I find the position on him. Now rich Danny Olmo. Another splendid chap with Mikel Oyarzabal. LED attack. Because say form squad no na rich. Wow, yeah. Technical person and a tactical person. Say beauty game na see. Osha France and so line up who yeah the 4-2-3-1 formation. I did the show. It decided say but with Mike 9 or no air money post. Now about Jules Koundé and the Lucadine. Horrible Lucadine last night. But Omo were the right side and the left side of defense respectively, and then Dio Upamecano and then William Saliba at the center of defense. Now Oba and Fim Fluho, Ubenya Abranti and the Bradley Bacola, any Dembele, also ABM Museno, no Ababa Benya Abranti and the Olise, any Mbappe, also LED attack na Rabiu, Adrian Rabiu, Enzo, Ewon Fifth Niobi. Bro, me share on ne Rabiu, I'm a saying who Chouameni, Rich, Eddie Kaime, me amusemi. Rich, Sabi, Obia, where the game, next year, or te football, I see on him game, no. Becca said the coach decided, say, obey you see Abranti and the day added Rabiu instead of Connie. Well, sa guy, no. Very splendid
Rasta guy, no.
Yes, Rasta guy, no. Me who me amusemi. But I felt that coach, Eshenema from this perspective said, in terms of physicality, Rabiu decided in the Bema. But what I say, because he felt say with the Spaniards, the midfield almost midfield no, the technical ability of their midfield no, it was true because Fabian Ruiz, a crabola in midfield, or person the ball near no, or the bear, Rodri su crabola, sir. Hence not all physicality, and me beside me also say Chouameni, bro. Abranti no urban, I thought say no why a bit rusty. And instead of Chouameni, meaning I then start to be N'Golo Kante. Remember what I say? N'Golo Kante and Shase because he's very alcoholic. Oh no, bet me I said one. Yes, oh the Ejitum says say be a Kante meter. On to me 190 minutes. It is agreed because even during the qualifiers, any friendlies, no, it showed. But at least Manin started. Raise what I say. Now at least on first and Yadeni Takashi. On try so be disorientated the Spaniards midfield no on first idea and emra game no me no yenya sadie no game no timi hu ya nam so France midfield no e best of 5 years pe be ma France attacking quartet no yeah Abranti and the Dembele Olise Kylian Mbappe Lotte mu no omo bebre and bro you say game na say a book game ne kono say Rodri and Fabian Ruiz who say clearly almost for midfield on no because France rely on quick transition on the counter on the break. I heard France bet me any joy because say offer Emranti me no mo about France midfielder. Now we show mo technical ability. Now we compare Spaniards no midfield technical ability. Bro, emu wa ye. This means one me agent. Na gap no emu wa. So almost who say okay, yen the France and who dey na kwakwa gina nanim ho no. Omo nipa for no omo nde omo hu they have the pace and Mbappe enya ball obesa obepa so o here space and in quick transition obe how eba breaks on be how and the other thing na you ball in free omo nsem omo strategy no let's just relax ye mo ball no mo ye pass the ball no around ye ball ni sa definitely ye be frustrate omo because omo midfield no ntimi match up to ye midfield. Hence they decided say that was the game plan on the ball. And Rich, really it worked to perfection because Fabio Ruiz Rodri, oh my God, I was like, Michel game now for me bring me. And Rich, yeah, Cano and now Michel Abrantia or no elbow France Lucadine. Rich, Michel Lucadine ne Lamine Yamal. And the queer Lamine Yamal Eddie Lucadine first, and that guy was G3. Minia, Michel was like Rich, Eddie kind. Yeah, I'm on for a penalty in once, but me supported France.
It's a clear penalty.
But it was a clear penalty. It was an obvious penalty. Patroyanti game, na suguni me kamia kwese besina Rich. Problem ayanya season here baba beshasi. I'll say in referees no a lot of education. Onim say one cap no more airborne. Goal kick any emra yes sa senyina no. I know be near Baby Yusu and Lignum, so I aware there. So supporters nan Tim Ranasi, Nasa education no answer because FIFA anytime I fan and FIFA Bema Emra, Amane Diamano, and I changes Bebano. Say changes neighbor usually I almost shall say you see from June. Reason you see from June, they say, Omonim say June no, Edu on my teams no aba break. So to pre-season near Diano. Na ehonum no ye dia massa education no ansa na new season no I get underway. Enti no sisi am no ka say ye referees no kra minimum say matter of fact say if next month kra no omo baba be exams. Enti ade na ye hwe no World Cup na ye hwe no ye hwe ne ensam fansua agro ni yie na ye league no mania ma bi o ho esi hu. Rich football ye ni issue of minimum patriotie. Ye ma education no ball man here very explicit. Now look at him. Lamine Yamal is smart. Oh, who say Abrantia no ho chire no. And on him look at him problem. And oh yes smart. It's stealing ball no away from look at him. Now stealing ball no. Look at him went in for the player. You need issue of say or try so about ball no. Nana Lamine Yamal asking him. Right. The bottom line is that Lamine Yamal no ball no. Ball near boy mboni pa. But what I say. So certainly it was a penalty. It was an obvious penalty. There's no qualm whatsoever about it. A penalty. So let's just establish that. Now ye emotions and because me I'm a Leblanc, me supported France. But truth of the matter is it was a penalty. So penalty no Rich if you be anyhow.
Okay.
So why complain? Rich, secondly, goal Lamine Yamal essay Angela. That goal also not any goal. He was marginally off. And some another education Rich on him per VAR protocols no. VAR protocols stress the moment referee when you're sure of the situation and yet in try say time bia na also assistant referee no ever communicate to the referee you can say offside no. So when you're sure what you do is that Jaiman ball no say but also what I say also ball ni we are what the benefit of VAR. And VAR no ever communicate to you no about the and to about the hair. Yen Santia de Bias say VAR ain't taking decisions for referees. So assistant referees ain't taking decisions for referees. Referee no the final arbiter. To reach referee the any say Coco ready no. So VAR and no communicating about the hair. Incidents new year. After one who we no then over conclude and to shine no. So full says still play no any offside. No problem. Rick Patriot has a punishment on our because VAR so out to assess the referee. VAR ni final say. And the referee go and also Adiano. Clear, offside.
Okay.
When he needed VAR came in to assist. Time and own here VAR no but also penalty then. What's a penalty then one hand home with VAR. because no a double share, no a cock share of the situation. So let's just establish that. The point is a share, total share, and the Ashe France. The referee, about 80 to 90% of his decisions, he got it right. And I think that baby Gray say no, I am not many 50 can sembi, Magiatum. Also, him, he told her, be anywhere in life for you, baby, I'm fine. After we was about say go no. Now me hear unim say 10 minutes later, and William Saliba and so a pray. So at that point I was like
Saliba pray and I'm cultural no. Me page or Richard TV.
Oh,
me true that I can.
It is Saliba saying pray now, bro. And I mean who say it is finished.
Because now him say Le Crano.
Now the internet rich and me assure so Madridista have been worried. Unim say by virtue of the decision the coach took. A trace say no the person or say Ibrahim Akonete no 4 choice center back.
Okay.
No, because look at a game of such magnitude. And your game be an ordinary game.
And Konate born Liverpool. He's a starter.
Yes.
Now friend national team on command first team.
Yes. Madrid. Rich Pachuati as into your Madridista. Okay. Say BBA the advance say, and I was expecting say with the physicality, because in terms of physicality, I was sure the time Lecra Pachuati as and I was saying so experience no. And over to me defending. So I was like, why? What is happening? Into here, Madridista, oh no, when you are say Obaba Benya such a talent, in a way, a boo up him.
Right.
Now, bro, and now, me say who are be France back for rich Amwa situation. When it became very clear, say France midfield, no, virtually they had been siphoned. Omuntimi nye bibiao game, and for the needed supplies. Which year the Mbappe here then the start never so because he's a star boy. And to me ye BB and fam wa Mbappe no. Once a coach Emma ne drop it by deep, me so listen or by deep. So bet me affect play from there so nemfa. Right. I was expecting Sanka Frank back for no. And so bet me a push about supporting attack. I return my dear me who. So Central France back for no clearly critically na who adie bi. Say ne back for no so and yes, our ball playing back for now. Omutimi sign supporting attack here. Talk of Jules Kundi, Lukadin, Saliba, any Opamecano after Saliba prime. Rich now said that yes, I didn't zoom free back for no. It's the moment supplies no Emma anymore no. Clearly, on your supply be free baby. Maybe also a difference. Also, for instance, Brazil at a point air bubble. Not the expected results. Emma, Ubenya certain Danny Alves. Or bet me those runs. And move it in your calf mo or bet me a side and the game. Even yeka crano. Now the back one England will be a can was a Trent Alexander-Arnold because a drew baby or no bet me a free traba no or the south supplies number. But France Simunia Sadian. Rich.
Omashamo.
Share and you're more a brandy way abaso. Rich Oshe Pau Kubasi.
At the age. I'll World Cup.
That boy was super yesterday.
Only American
only American Laporte
on Shevaba crowd.
On Shiva so come
on Shevaba crowd.
Debut at a point na me shako odi killing Mbappe Lotin efaso me pamucho yeah appreciate Abrantia no na yeah appreciate nem so no one other player was here kan ho asem here was Mark Kerala rich and but uhwe ni pa because onim na Spain defense no e bo high line. A group baby no muja a lot of space. And a France person or exploiting those spaces. But anytime you try some exploit, there was a certain Mark Krella. Oh no, making sure say or the stability about me idea be about Abranti and the performance overall. Unim or yeah one last man tackle. Or sound so am I one interception. Or yeah one clearance, one block shot. Or we need 3 out of 4 draws at Okom. Rich, apart from Enono, Unim say Osanso, am I 4 recoveries in the game. That was outstanding from that boy. Rich me pacho, another personality I me feel so say appreciating any year so pan. My man
Rodrigo Cascante.
Oh. Rich Unim the yesterday I behind. So I join about so about the Spanish national team. Spain over the period, any national team will produce clinical finishes. Yes, we can make a case for Fernando Torres. We can talk of David Sanchez Villa, then this handsome gentleman or Raul Gonzalo Blanco. But how many nations will produce clinical finishes? it has always been about their midfield. The Sergio Busquets, the Andres Iniesta, on say Enra Brandt and Bono, and then one so no silly role model any Sergio Busquets.
Okay.
Now Enra Bono no Bono clearly all Sergio Busquets traits, who's our traits ni be ewan. And this is a Spanish national team one. While even at a point with Cesc Fabregas as the false nine. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So almost started so more and yeah more you say now, Rich. Am I young so and Enra Mbappe was horrible. Only the start Enra. Recent Mbappe start it's here. 0 goals, 0 assists, no shot on target. Key passes, Wama Bakumpo, or try so bad dribbling 6, Emuba Kope and Onyane right, or lose possession 14 times. Unlike Kylian Mbappe, Ukraine, Rich. It was simply a bad day. Yashia from near Onshia, Legitum.
Argentina Baffour. Na yemfa nwie
game no menua dey but ade ba ko na minim se certainly ebeboa England hwe Argentines no hu hwe central defense no Rich mahu ade bi e wo mo ho central defense no yes ebetimi aba be support ya attack betimi cry the goal aba timi e possess ball but Rich was the ye mistakes pa
okay
Argentina defense ye mistakes pa and me sure say hono no na England ebenya ne joy. And England is here one team or a very smart or pace only team. Yes, Argentines on paper are started as favorite. One, they are the defending champions of the World Cup. Secondly, with a kind of performance especially per one nation team suffer year per rate over a period was suffer or suffering as so football. What dear tum say was cycling the team year Linus Scaloni ni team Argentina, yes. Almost how to suffer. Even in this World Cup, one would have been several instances. Almost suffer being himself in effect, no more free competition. By be who know almost come when him. But mean him say those mistakes are almost year, especially against Egypt. So we those mistakes against a nation like England.
You punish.
Oh, yeah, and sound so and recover.
Okay.
Which will be some mistake game where because say likely to end 2-1 game when so me who extra time.
Okay.
Hurricane will score, but certainly my man, the god of football,
Obeying
Niamano, so Emfa Sanebe,
football is coming home,
football. It wouldn't come home though. They'll get to the grand finale.
But okay, okay, insurance of 4.5. Some farmers said, "Nebra, na yanking kind and some from about."